Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making methi masoor dal. For this we need red lentil, ginger and garlic, chopped green chili, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, coriander seed powder, salt, cumin seed, cinnamon, clove and black pepper, mustard seed and fenugreek leaf. We also need sliced onion, chopped tomato and raw mango. So in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil, add 4 to 5 black pepper, 2 to 3 clove, 1 inch cinnamon on low flame. Cook them for half a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 pinch of asafoetida, mix it. Add 8 to 10 curry leaf, 2 to 3 chopped green chili or as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add 1 sliced onion, mix it and cook till onion is pink. Add 2 to 3 clove of garlic freshly grated. Add half an inch of freshly grated ginger, mix it well. Now add 2 chopped tomato, mix it again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, mix it well. Add salt to taste, mix it again. Now add 200 grams of soaked red lentil, mix it gently, cook it for 1 minute. Add 2 teaspoons of sliced raw mango. Now add 1 medium bunch of fenugreek leaf, mix it and cook it for another 1 minute. Cover it and leave it for 1 minute. Now you can see the juice of fenugreek leaf and tomato. Mix it well. Add water, around 1 glass of water. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it again. Cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, your very tasty methi masoor dal is ready. Thank you.